I told you guys I would come back here and give you an update about Clickly. I started Clickly about 8 days ago, and honestly, guys, it's going really, really good. Now, I do want to let you guys know this is a business. This isn't something you're going to jump in right now and make thousands overnight. This is a slow growth business, just like any other business. Basically, what I do is I go in every day, I spend about 10 minutes, and I send out these pre-written emails. And when somebody opens the email and they click the link inside, I get paid 10 cents. You can also earn money through Clickly doing the referral program. So basically, when somebody comes in as a trial member, they get 5 days free trial. And that is just to show you that this does work. If they choose to upgrade, the upgrade is $97. It's a one-time fee. When someone upgrades, you get 100% of that profit, $97. And then after that, if they purchase more, you get 5%. And as I promised, I'm gonna show you what I've earned in the last 8 days. Here is my back office. I'm gonna come over here to this link right here, and I'm gonna scroll down, and as you can see, I've earned $351.65. I've earned that from sending out the emails and getting clicks, and I've also earned that by using my referral link. So if you're ready to add another stream of income to your business, you can go to my bio, check out the trial. It's 5 days, and you can see that it does work. But if you upgrade, remember, it's $97. It's a one-time investment. Save this video and share this video. And guys, check out my other TikToks. It has a lot of information. So save this video for later and share this video. And guys, check out my other TikTok videos. I share a lot of information on how you can build a business online so you can make plans to quit your 9 to 5.